Okay, so what we're going to try is pretend these are the rails that go under the table. I need to bolt corner brace down. I'll screw it to the rails and I'm going to have a through bolt. Well, I need a way to anchor it. So to do that, I'm going to use, this is called a hanger mate. You can get coach screw rods. This has got a facet here. This is really hard wood, so I pre-drill my hole to slightly larger or smaller than the outside diameter of these threads, but larger than the root diameter because this is super hard wood. If it was pine or something like that, I may go under a little less than that root diameter, or maybe not at all, because these actually are self-tappers. But I know this to be hardwood, so I am pre-drilling the holes. Now I'm going to use a socket. I'm going to countersink them. So I got a Forstner bit. It's going to match or be a little bit bigger than that socket. So the first thing I do, line this up, and this is very hardwood. I'm going to make sure I'm trying to intersect the corner on the back side. Gotta check my depth. Looks like we're good there. So then, a little tip on that Forstner bit actually left me a little bit of a hole in there. So now, you go a little ways and then you want to pull your bit up. Don't force it. But you want to have a chance to get all those shavings out. So once that's done, we'll clean the hole out. It's a little tight. Get that set back like I wanted it. There. So now what we have is a 3/8 thread. It'll be flush. You'll have a rail coming this way, a rail coming that way. This part will go over the top of it. I'll just drill me a hole slightly bigger to account for the slop. And I'll put a washer over it and a nut. If you look under most dinner tables, they'll be done in a similar fashion.